Sita. Slide. Okay. Let's start. How to use in past tense be forms. How to use in past tense be forms. Already we have discussed in our previous video. So be forms am, is, are, was, were, being, been, be. In past tense here was, were. The past tense be forms. Is, was, been, are, were, being. Past tense. How to use? As usual, we have I will use the she as subjects. Always along with I, we use was. I was. Along with you were. We were. They were. Along with he was, she was, it was. If the subject is singular, we use was. Subject is plural, we use were. Okay. And where we use the be forms, we use particular to ask profession. Here, profession. To ask profession or express our profession, we use be forms in the sentence. And adjective. Adjective means stout, thin, thick. The quality of the persons. Adjective says the quality of the subject. The quality of the subject, the nature of the subject. The dog was black in color. Black was black in color. Adjective. The man was stout, very stout last year, but he is very slim now. Last year the man was very stout, but he is very slim now. Slight. Express the nature of the persons or articles are we use be forms. And V4 means V4, the verb for, add ing of the main basic verb. It is also in the present tense also. Present tense be forms also. Where were you going yesterday by this time? When I came to your house, what were you doing at that time? What were you doing? The type of actions we use be forms. And in a place means in a particular place where Rama was in the morning. Where was your father yesterday? Where was your sister last month? Like we use be forms. So in a place or profession, asking profession or express profession, adjectives we use be forms. Here be forms only are the main verbs. Be forms only act as the main verbs here. In V4 only, B form is acting as a helping verb in V4 only. Other than Remaining all B forms are the main verbs for acting. And negative, not. Was you in Rajahmundry yesterday morning? Were you in Rajahmundry yesterday morning? Were you in Rajahmundry? No, I was not in Rajahmundry yesterday morning. Yesterday morning, I was in Kakinada. I was at my house yesterday morning. Was your father in Tirupati last month? Yes, my father was in Tirupati last month, but now he is at my house. It's like, okay? Negative. In interrogative, WH questions, the same situation. Know the concept and structure. If you know the concept well, you can easily interact at any place with anybody. You can easily know the concept and structure. If you know the driving of one bike, you can drive any company of bike. Did you? You can drive. You can drive any company of bike. If you can drive any company of car, you can drive any company of car drive. If you know the driving of a car, you can drive any company of any car. Can you? Yes, we can drive. In the same way, if you know the structure, once observe, you can use in your conversations. Here, what were you? What were you playing yesterday? What were you playing yesterday? We were playing kabaddi yesterday. And why were you? Why were you in Kakinada yesterday? We were in Kakinada yesterday evening because of some urgent work to consult a doctor or consult any other person. Slang. Use all this. Why was she? As a teacher last year. Slang. Okay. Once observe the positive, negative, interrogative, WH questions, how to ask in past tense in B forms. Okay. Write questions now here. Here, were you plus profession. Were you a doctor? Doctor last year. Were you a doctor last year? Yes, I was a doctor last year. Yes, I was a doctor last year. Otherwise, no. I was not a doctor last year. Last year. No, I was not a doctor last year. No, I was not a doctor last year. Question. Otherwise, where? Where was your brother? Yesterday, day before yesterday, or yesterday. Where was your brother yesterday? Where was your brother yesterday? Yesterday, my brother was My brother was. It is the action word. Was. Here, were, was. These are the action words. This is the main action word also. And was your brother? Was your brother stout? S-T-O-U-T, stout. Last year or 5 years back? 5 years back, of course, 5 years back. Was your brother? Your brother. That's why I use was. Was your brother stout 5 years back? Yes. Yes. My brother was very stout 5 years back. 5 years back. But now he is slim. 5 years back, my brother was very stout. Here I ask about profession and adjective, place and semi form. Before I came to your house, what were you watching? Before I came yesterday, before I came yesterday, what were you watching on TV? What were you watching on TV? Before I came yesterday to your house, what were you watching on TV? Before I came, what were you watching on TV? Before we came my house yesterday, we were watching cricket match. We were watching cricket match. That is the answer, right? So, write conversation summary of practice and practice. These are all in past actions. In past actions means now it is present in the morning actions, yesterday actions, day before yesterday actions, last year, last 2 years, the back. This all past actions. 10 years back. What was you in your childhood days? Or what was you 5 years back? I was a teacher 5 years back. Now I am a motivator. What was you 5 years back? Was you daily labor 5 years back? Were you daily labor? No, I was not a daily labor 5 years back. I was working in a company 5 years back. But now I am working in a company. It's like so children and smarts know how to use be forms in past actions, and once clearly observe all these three tables and write some more conversations. Okay, wish you good luck.